Thanks for checking out my cooking channel. I'm delighted to announce the release of my new Thai cookbook called the Thai Cookbook. Wicked Wild Thailand. There's over 100 recipes of beautiful Thai food along with wonderful photos, 375 pages of stories of my life in Thailand, the 60-70 motorbike trips that I did over the 6-year period. Also stories of my professional life as a chef, having to deal with corrupt suppliers, death threats, snakes in the office. It's all in there, folks. Thank you to those who have purchased my book already. I really appreciate that very much. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to send a receipt to the email on the screen if you haven't done so already. And leave me a review on Amazon.com. That's also really important to pump up the sales. When you type in the Thai Cookbook on Amazon, this comes up to the top of the list now, so thanks so much for that support. Really appreciate it. The sales are coming from all over the shop, from New Zealand, Australia, Asia, Europe, UK, USA, and here on the island of Saint Lucia in the Caribbean. So thank you folks for that support right across the board, and thanks to social media. So keep the word, keep spreading the word, tell your friends. I really appreciate that. There are 45 cooking videos to go along with this cookbook, which are released twice a week, Wednesdays and Fridays, on my Chef Sherlock YouTube cooking channel. And these are now scheduled from now until early next year to keep you interested as well. So thanks for that, folks. I'm Ian Sherlock, and this is my cookbook. Here's how it works. Buy the book, send me the receipt. Your name goes into the lottery system. After I get my first 100 purchases, then I'll announce a Facebook Live lottery system. Third prize, anything under $20 from my chef shop sent to you. Second prize, anything under $30 sent to you wherever you are. And the first prize is a $50 cash voucher sent to you. Your name goes back into the lottery system, so you keep on winning. So keep sharing, keep telling your friends. We all win. After that, every 500 purchases, I'll ump up the prize value. Now here's the big prize. If I can get 10,000 purchases in the next 6 months, 10,000, here's a big prize. Third prize, $500 cash sent to you. Second prize, $1,000 sent to you also wherever you are. And the first big grand prize is as follows. A wonderful trip to the Caribbean, to this beautiful exotic island of Saint Lucia. You will stay at the luxurious St. James Club. It's an all-inclusive property on the island. Yes, all-inclusive, folks. That means the booze, the drink, the food, the booze, the drink. That's all on me too. And I'll show you around my island. If you happen to live on the island and you win, I'm not going to send you down the road because that wouldn't be nice, would it, folks? You'll get the same package for 2 as the other folk, and you'll go off to Jamaica for 2, right? So don't forget to send your receipts. Don't forget to send me the reviews on Amazon.com. Those stars mean everything, so thanks a lot, folks, for that. Check out my YouTube channel, check out my social media, subscribe to all my social media and my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, folks. Bon appetit.